Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of drones to explore the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. This sub-250 grams marvel has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors. We're here to dissect all the latest intel, speculate on its features, and try to pin down its release date. Current status as of July 8, 2024. DJI has maintained complete radio silence regarding the Mini 5 Pro. This absence of an official announcement has only fueled speculation. Industry giants like DroneXL and DroneDJ have weighed in with their insights. DroneXL highlighted the success of the Osmo Pocket 3 launch, suggesting that similar advancements might be expected in the Mini 5 Pro's camera, particularly in sensor size and low light performance. Meanwhile, DroneDJ offers a different take, suggesting that DJI might be strategically focusing on the Osmo Pocket 3 before unveiling the Mini 5 Pro camera powerhouse. Both DroneXL and various online rumors point towards a significant camera upgrade. A larger sensor could elevate low light performance and capture stunning detail. Additionally, a wider lens might be on the cards, expanding the field of view for breathtaking aerial shots. Improved image stabilization could also be expected, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. Flight time for days battery life is a top priority for drone pilots. Speculation suggests that DJI is aiming for a flight time exceeding 30 minutes, pushing the boundaries of the Mini series. This could be a game-changer for capturing extended aerial footage on a single charge. Safety-first obstacle avoidance is a highly sought-after feature, especially for beginners. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro might be equipped with advanced sensors, possibly including front, rear, and even downward-facing ones, to navigate complex environments with greater confidence. Pocket rocket design Mini series is known for its portability, and the Mini 5 Pro might take it a step further. We could see a more foldable design or lighter materials for an even more compact and travel-friendly drone. Rock-solid connection DJI's OcuSync 3.0 Plus image transmission technology, renowned for its incredible range and stability, might be integrated into the Mini 5 Pro. This would ensure smooth and reliable video transmission, even at longer distances, minimizing frustrating signal drops. Smart features like active track, quick shots, and hyperlapse could see significant improvements. Enhanced AI algorithms might offer better subject tracking, automated cinematic shots, and more creative filming options. Gesture controls and voice commands could also be introduced, making it easier to control the drone without a remote. Release date. Educated guesses pinpointing the exact release date is tricky without official confirmation. Community and support. The DJI community plays a significant role in the success of their products. Online forums, user groups, and official support channels provide valuable resources for new and experienced pilots. Engaging with this community can enhance the overall flying experience and help users get the most out of their drones. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro remains a tantalizing mystery, but the rumors are certainly exciting. With potential advancements in camera technology, flight time, safety features, and smart functionalities, it could be a game-changer in the drone market. Keep an eye on DJI's official channels and trusted drone news sources like DroneXL and DroneDJ for the official announcement. If you have any burning questions or speculations about the Mini 5 Pro, leave a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone news, reviews, and juicy rumors. Like this video if you're hyped about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things drone. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Tech Titan Reviews. See you in the next video.